27th of July 2009, I performed my first Umrah. Although I born in this country, but due to some reasons or circumstances, we went back home. We came back after 14 years, and I was big enough to perform Umrah or to understand everything, what Umrah actually means. So I remember every single person told me, when you see Kaaba for the first time from your eyes, whatever dua you will make will come true. So the dua that I made was, या अल्लाह मुझे हर साल उम्रा करने की तौफीक अता फरमा और मैं हमेशा तेरे काबे के तवाफ़ करूँ. It was something like that, which means, Ya Allah, please give me chance to perform Umrah and Tawaf every year. And Alhamdulillah, from that day till now, I am performing Umrah or Tawaf not only once or twice, maybe more than that every year. Alhamdulillah, I can't thank Allah enough for all the blessings that I have, Alhamdulillah, in my life. And I pray for you all that Allah give you chance to come and visit, perform Umrah and Hajj, inshallah. Ameen summa ameen. And trust me, right now when I'm sharing this video, I have tears in my eyes because I have a strong belief that the dua I made at that time was fulfilled. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna live in this country, but I truly believe and I have strong faith in that thing, that my dua at that time was fulfilled. And trust me, whatever dua you make, anytime, anywhere, if it's not fulfilled right now, it will be fulfilled in future. Your dua never vanished, never ever. Allah always listen to us. He will fulfill our duas, maybe today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or if not in this world, then after the world, inshallah. Anyhow, Assalamu Alikum. I'm really happy that you are here. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And please don't forget to leave a comment for me. I really appreciate your single second that you are giving to me. It encourages me to do more. Okay, so as we all know, because of the pandemic situation, the rules are very strict. The children are not allowed in haram. So I dropped my kids to their grandparents' house, and then it took us around 1 hour from Jeddah to reach Makkah. As I told you, the rules are very strict. So you should have your slot booked, you should have your appointment, the tasri, and they will check it. Okay, so for us, they checked our tasri, the appointment twice before coming to the mosque, and then inside in the mosque as well before we start our Umrah. If you are coming for Umrah, you can only do the Umrah. You cannot pray unless you have a slot booked for the prayer time, like Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Then you should have your slot booked. So here is the beautiful Kaaba, mashallah, tabarakallah. You can see the view. Okay, once we are done with our tawaf, then we started doing our sa'i. This is the start of Safa. In just front, with you can see there is a Safa mountain. They lighted it with the green lights. You can see it is still in the same condition as it was years ago. Everything was very well managed and organized. Few workers were assigned to sanitize the whole haram, and they were doing it continuously, and they were sanitizing each and every area of the haram. Few were assigned to distribute the water. There were volunteers also assigned in haram, so you cannot just pray anywhere you want. It's like before, there are separate areas for the prayer. They guide you where to go and where to not. Okay, so we are done with our Umrah, and of course after Umrah you feel hungry. It's really important to eat something after Umrah. So here we were just looking for something light. We don't want to eat something like too heavy because it's almost around 2 a.m. at night. So we were just looking for the shawarma sandwich. So just have a look how they did it. Okay, so if you are a shawarma lover and you are looking for the shawarma recipe, the exact same recipe of Shami shawarma, then I'm giving you the link above in the video. This is the recipe I got from one of the chefs. Okay, so finally I have my hand on shawarma, and nothing can beat the Saudi Arab shawarma. Nothing. So it's simply amazing. So by the time I'm having my shawarma, you do me a favor, please. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe it. Do comment on my video, like and share, because your comment and like can help me to reach to other people as well, and I will really appreciate your little help. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video, inshallah. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jazakallah khair for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.